If you think Google is collecting your data on Xiaomi Redmi phones, you can stop this activity very easily. Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to stop Google collecting your data on Xiaomi Redmi phones. So here is Redmi Note 15 5G. It's the same also for the Pro version and for the other Redmi phones. And to stop Google collecting your data, you need to go on your phone to settings and here just swipe and tap on privacy. Here swipe again and here we have ads. Just tap on it and we have here add privacy. Now tap again and this is the add topics. Now it's turned on and from here you can block topics you don't want share it with apps. So just tap here to disable it and now let's go to the second one. And here we have app suggested ads. Again, turn off this feature and from here you can block apps for making suggestions. And now the last one is add measurement and again turn it off from here. Now let's go back and here go back again and from here you can delete advertising ID and apps can no longer use this advertising ID to show you personalized ads. Just tap on it and tap delete advertising ID and that's all. And now go back again and here we have usage and diagnostics. And from here turn off this feature and your phone won't send any more details about battery level, system and app activity from this phone. So you can do this to stop Google collecting your data on Xiaomi Redmi phones and also on another Android phones. I hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next one. Have a nice day.